Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in the right place. Sign into Audible and open the app or website. Once logged in, make sure you're on the account that owns the library you want to change. Next, tap or click Settings or Account. This is where Audible stores language and region options. Don't go searching in playback controls. If using mobile, check the app version and permissions because older builds sometimes hide language options. Now, proceed to the Language or Region section to begin changing Audible's language. Once in Settings, find Language or Country and Region. The labels vary by platform. Select your preferred display language first. This changes menus and labels immediately in many cases. Then, if available, pick Content Language Preferences to prioritize audiobooks and narration in that language. Make sure to confirm or save changes. Audible sometimes requires you to sign out and back in or restart the app so the new language fully applies. If prompted, follow those steps. They finalize the language swap across interface and content suggestions. After saving, restart the app or refresh the web page so the interface reloads in the new language. Verify menus and recommendations reflect the change. Sample an audiobook to confirm narration preferences. If you still see the old language, sign out and sign back in, and check device language settings. Audible may follow system defaults on some devices. As a troubleshooting tip, clear app cache or update the app. Most stuck language issues resolve after an update or cache clear, which forces fresh language.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.